below the C, B and A. I want us to pick it up from that A and end at the higher A and then descend back to A. That way, we will have what we call A minor scale. You may want to know, why is it minor? Why is it major? They are different. The difference between a major and a minor is usually in their thirds and their seventh. But for this particular one we are doing A minor, but it's a natural minor. Now let's pick it up from the A, the lower A, to the higher A, and then we descend, forming, like what I said, scalic mountain. Back. Do you get it? Alright, let's go. That is A minor. Alright, we will form a scalic mountain from our lower A to higher A back to the lower A. So this is what it will sound like. This is the A natural minor. Thank you.